You know Illustrator, but you don't have cool design ideas. You don't know what the usage of ruler is. You can create many designs to use ruler. In this video, we will teach you how to draw multiple patterns at one time in an easy way. First, press Ctrl plus R for help the ruler be visible. We will bring the ruler to the middle of the page. To place it perfectly in the middle, we will align it to the artboard. Now select the ruler and use the Rotate tool. Again, we can also rotate it by just pressing R from the keyboard. Press Enter. Rotate it at a 30 degrees angle and copy it. Duplicate it 4 times using Ctrl plus D. Once the ruler's work is done, lock this layer and create a new layer. Now we will create an area using the Ellipse tool. You can also use a square. We are going to do the entire design inside this circle. So we will select this layer. Tick the round shape created on the right side. Now we will go to Effects and use the Distort and Transform effect. Then a pop-up will appear in front of us. Look at it carefully, because if you make a mistake here, the effect will not work. We have 12 lines, so we will divide 360 by 12 and will copy 11, as we already have 1. I will press OK. I will go to the layer and lock the ellipse layer. Now we can start drawing in it. I may draw 2 or 3 circles. Now, whatever I do inside this circle will be copied 11 times. I am drawing with the help of the pen tool. I hope you understood. If you liked the video, then give a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.